here at the Business Design Centre in Islington, LiGHT24 and the Radiant Architectural Lighting stand. So this is my favourite water effect project. It's the W Hotel in the Algarve, lighting designed by MBLD. And all of this lit effect here, this watery effect, is coming from these individual in-ground luminaires, which we have down here. So these were custom designed specifically for the project. And all of this pattern is coming from these individual luminaires. Again, fully customizable. We can change the texture of the glass, we can change the color of the LEDs, and we can modify the dimming sequences to give the designer exactly the right lit effect. So it's an effect luminaire which we can use for interior applications to create decorative, dynamic lit effects in the ceiling, on the wall. We can customize the mix of LEDs, the texture of the glass, which gives you this texture on the surface. And then by changing the DMX control, we can control the speed and the dimming curves to create exactly the lit effect which the specifier, the lighting designer, the architect, the interior designer designs. So here we have some other examples of our water effects. So we have individual modules tree mounted with tree straps, which are creating these dynamic patterns of light on the surface here. Here we have some oak housed luminaires, a bollard and a wall mounted luminaire. Again, creating these dynamic lit effects, all under DMX control. We can change the mix of LEDs in the light engine. They could be blues and whites, greens, or reds and whites as shown here. And then by changing the texture of the glass, we can create different patterns of light on the surfaces. So the flap light is one of our earlier designs and has the individually adjustable barn doors, which enables us to control the cutoff in the application. And what we've recently done is we turned it into an articulated system. So we have 100mm modules, which we can adjust the aiming angle, and we can adjust the cutoff angle of each individual module. All of these can then be locked once the modules have been set to the correct position. The 3D LED Flex is our flagship range. And it all started with one project here in Azerbaijan, the Zaha Hadid Design Cultural Centre. And we were asked to come up with a solution for these complex curved coves. So we came up with this design as a custom design specifically for that project about 14 years ago. And then we've developed this whole family of sizes. From the smallest is 25mm wide, next size is 40mm, 100mm and 200mm. Interior, exterior and underwater. So this is IP68 for underwater use, IP66 for exterior use, and this one is IP20 for interior use. All using the same light engines, the same optics to give the same lit effect.